fence. Yeah, I got it, I got it. I got your stuff, bud.
That's not a terror bird. No, that's that bird from hell, number 7. Just call it
Okay,
number 7.
officially called number 7.
That's not a terror bird. Yeah, I looked at it and I'm getting closer, and its head looks a little different. It's like, oh no, shit, it's claw bird. Yeah, no, we took it in the boat. Fuck, that was how many arrows?
Yeah, I
Thir-
know, that's what I was saying.
13. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's not a terror bird.
Alright, I got your shit.
Where's the bird? It's still out there.
No, it actually turned around and ran into the fence and then killed itself on the fence.
Oh, there we go. We did it. Team.